Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe and notification button. Give me a big thumbs up and leave some comments. I would love to have you as a member of my family. So today I did a look with this Harley Quinn palette from Hot Topic. I did have to add a few things to it, but if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Lord. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, oh my face is a mess. If you are new here, please hit the... Hey everybody, welcome back. So we are going to do a look today with this Harley Quinn palette that I got from Hot Topic. It is an all matte palette, so you know how I am with my shimmers, so I might have to add something to this, but we'll see how it goes. We're going to dig right into it. So the colors don't have names on them, but I will show them to you. So the first color we're going to use is this color right here. I'm going to put that all over our lid just to even out the color a little bit. I did just film a look using the Wonder Woman palette, which I forgot to film the intro on. Life happens, right? Life happens. Alright, so I am going to go into my crease with this orange color right here. Should I say burnt orange color? Wow. So far, I've been impressed with both palettes as far as pigmentation. They blend easy. Yeah. Very blendable. I'm not tapping off the excess just because I can blend out. I don't know. I don't always tap out the excess. I just work with it. Oh, I probably need to put my hair up. We won't worry about it. Okay. So I'm going to go into the crease with this shade right here. It's like a darker, it's like a brick colored. See if we can start to... Come on, don't skip on me. Don't skip! Boy, this stuff has some pigmentation to it. It truly does. Alright. So now I think I'm going to go in with this purplish mauve color right here, and I'm going to use this Vintage Beauty shader brush kind of and just pat it in. See how that looks. Come on. You're picking up on my brush, but you ain't going on my eye. Maybe you are. This is not a great color. Oh, maybe it is. I mean, not great, but it is showing me something. It's just very light. It's not as dark as it is in the pan. It'd be nice if I scoot you in so you could see that. So it's just, no matter how much I put on it, I'm going to use a different brush. If I can get this to work. This brush has been used 500 times, Susan. We gotta go in with a clean brush and see if I can get Doesn't seem, it just seems to, you can see it kind of smoking right off my eye. It's okay, we got a fix for you too. Alright, that's not working for me. Alright, so we're going to go in with this as a brush out of one of my Naked 2 palette. Like, I have random brushes all over the place. And I'm going to go into the white. I just want to try something. Seagulls do this all the time, and I've never been brave enough to do it. It's really just masking everything. I'm gonna get really brave. Let me clean this up some. Alright, we're gonna get brave. There's a ivy green, like an army green color in here. That doesn't seem to be. I should know that it's not doing much because it's not kicking up. Alright, Susan. Well, Harley, you are not working out like I wanted you to. So now I'm trying with the brown just to kind of wrap this up a little bit. Yeah, this one is not as good as the Wonder Woman, I don't think. They seem buttery, they swatched good and all that, but I don't think it's as good as the Wonder Woman. Let's throw a little bit of glitter on this thing. What color glitter we got for this? I got lots of glitters. I do have a green. I wonder what that green would look like. So this is one of my Stila glitters. It's called La Douce. And it is very, 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 very pigmented. Well, I can honestly say that neither palette really performed completely on their own. We're gonna make it work. Gotta let this dry for a second, and then we're gonna go back in with some brown, and we're gonna darken this up. Let's take this. I'm gonna take my red lipstick off. I swear. I could make a mess out of I don't know what. Alright, we're going back in with this brown, and we're just going to go ham on it up in this crease. Pray I'm dry enough to do this. Alright, Harley, you let me down. I don't know if it's the same company that makes both the palettes. GBG Beauty for that one. I don't know. It's not that important. Because it was just a test, right? This is a test. I mean, I think when you mix it with some other things, like adding the Stila stuff to it, it doesn't look horrible. It's not necessarily what I would do. I don't think it would be my go-to, but I could use it. I don't know. I might pass it on to see if one of you guys can get it to perform better than I can. Some people, it's their skin, and you're just luckier, and, you know, not everything works the same for everybody. We'll put some mascara on.